Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and basic inputs. Make sure the laptop is plugged in and keyboard/mouse respond. Once done, perform a forced restart by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to clear transient hangs. If the lock screen persists, disconnect external USB drives, docks, and monitors to rule out peripheral conflicts. These quick actions remove simple causes and prepare the system for deeper recovery steps without delaying the process. You now move into recovery. Hold Shift while selecting Restart to open Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options to boot Safe Mode. Once in Safe Mode, run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the component store. These commands repair core Windows integrity. If the issue began after an update or driver change, use the Uninstall Updates or Device Manager rollback options. This targets deeper software faults that commonly cause a stuck lock screen. You finish by checking the user profile. Create a new local administrator account and sign in to see if the lock screen is profile related. If that fails, run System Restore to revert to a known good point. This preserves most settings and often resolves lock screen loops. As a last resort, use Reset this PC and choose Keep My Files or remove everything for a full reinstall. If problems persist, try booting from Windows installation media and run Startup Repair. This often fixes stubborn boot and lock screen issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.